What's the difference between the Canon 546 and the 546XL colour ink cartridge? As you can see, the cartridges themselves are physically the same size, and they retain compatibility with all the same printers too. Inside the standard capacity cartridge, you'll find a total of 9ml of ink split across the three colours, so 3ml per colour. And in the XL, this is 13ml. Now this equates to an estimated 180 pages in the standard capacity cartridge, and 300 pages in the XL capacity, almost twice as much. So let's take a look inside the standard capacity cartridge. Now I'm opening an empty original cartridge here, but even so, you'll be able to see how much ink was in the cartridge from how the ink has stained the internal sponges. So with the lid removed, you can see there's a fair amount of plastic on the underside, which takes up some of the body of the cartridge. And the majority of what's left inside the cartridge is these sponges. So let's take them out, and you can see around half of the sponge itself has been stained with ink, and again, that's 3ml. It's the same capacity, although this looks like the ink's gone a little bit further inside that cyan, probably down to the shape of the sponge, and it's the same with that yellow there. And the rest of the cartridge, there's not really much to see, just in the bottom there, that's where the ink is fed from the cartridge to the print head on the underside and kind of sprayed directly onto the paper. And obviously it's the same for the other two colours there as well. And with the XL containing 4ml more ink, we can expect to see some bigger sponges and a slightly different design within. Oh, now this one's giving me some grief. Here we go. Now this lid takes up much less of the body of the cartridge. You can see it's a lot more minimal there. Now, I can't guarantee how this cartridge has been left, but I can already see the ink's slightly contaminated from wherever it's been left, but we should be able to get a fairly good idea. As you can see, there's magenta here. It's a much larger sponge than we had in the standard capacity, about 2/3 of it stained. And again, that's just over 4ml per colour. A little bit more than the standard. Yeah, that yellow's not looking great. Now, if you're interested in buying either of these original cartridges or our remanufactured alternatives, you can find them all listed on our website. Now, I hope you found this useful. If you've got anything to add, drop it down in those comments. You can leave us a like while you're there as well. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.